The status bar on AutoCAD can be found on the bottom screen of the AutoCAD file that you have opened. Make sure that you have this file downloaded, and so you can have the exact same things that we're working on. It's not this line in here, this is the command line. You can literally type any command that you want to work with, but people nowadays don't use the command line because everything you need to work with AutoCAD already exists in the ribbon. So this is not the status bar, this one it is. Let's start from the left. You see these numbers, these are coordinates. AutoCAD works with coordinate system, so as you move the cursor you see that the number changes, negative to positive, however it is, but it changes. That's how AutoCAD works. If you don't have that these numbers, you come right here and click, you get so many options for the things that you show on the status bar. Make sure that you have the coordinates ticked on. So as you can see, this one is turned off. Now I have it. Right next to the coordinates drawings, you see this is saying model. As I explained in my previous videos, you can have in each file of AutoCAD one model and many layouts. So I have this model, I'm working on a model, so it says model. If I work on a layout, it will say paper. So I'll just get back to the model. Right next to that, you see that there are icons. They're with different colors. Some of them are blue, some of them are white. If it's blue, it's mean turned on, just like display drawing grid. This is the grid mode. So if I zoom in, you see these squares, these are the grid mode. If I turn it off, it will be gone. So you'll see that the background is kind of dark gray color. So I'll double click on my wheel to zoom its accents. And this is the snap. This is the snap mode. I'll just put it back just how it was. Right next to that, this is the most important icon, or I always leave it on because this is, I'll show you what it is. So if I type or use the command, the line command, it says specifies first point. That's the dynamic input, and also says the same thing on the command line. If I have this one turned off, it won't show that again. So if I type line, see, you can't even see or make sure that it's telling you that, because your eye usually goes to the cursor. So I'll leave that open. Specify first point, specify next point, or whatever, but always make sure that this one is turned on. We have many other objects, such as for the angles and for the snap modes. Like I think we already used that in the previous videos, just to snap to center or midpoint and endpoint. We will use many of these objects in the future videos when we dig deeper into AutoCAD.